If you've ever used a Samsung Smart TV, you've probably seen something called Samsung Smart Hub. But what exactly is it? And do you actually need it? Let's break it down in simple terms. What is Samsung Smart Hub? Samsung Smart Hub is the main dashboard on your Samsung TV. It's where everything lives. Apps, settings, live TV, and recommendations. It runs on Samsung's TV operating system called Tizen OS. You can think of it like the home screen on your phone, but for your TV. What does it actually do? In simple terms, it brings everything into one place. You can open apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, switch between live TV and streaming, get recommendations based on what you watch, mirror your phone screen to your TV, and even play cloud games without a console. So instead of jumping between different inputs, everything is organized in one interface. Here's what most people don't know. Smart Hub is not just an app launcher. That means some apps may not be available in your region. Older TVs may feel slow over time. And yes, you might see ads in the interface. Also, performance depends a lot on your TV hardware. So if your TV is older, Smart Hub might feel laggy. Should you use it? Use it if you stream content regularly, you want everything in one place, you use apps like YouTube or Netflix on your TV. Skip it if you only use cable TV or you prefer external devices like Fire TV or Android TV boxes. How to reset the Smart Hub on a Samsung TV. If your Smart Hub is not working properly, apps are crashing, or things feel slow, resetting it usually fixes the issue. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, then select Support, open Self-Diagnosis, and choose Reset Smart Hub. You'll be asked to enter a PIN. The default PIN is usually 0000. Once you confirm, your Smart Hub will reset. What happens after a reset? All apps will be removed. You'll need to sign in again. Settings and preferences will reset, but it often fixes app loading issues, missing apps, and slow performance. So now you know, Samsung Smart Hub is not just a feature. It's the system that powers your entire TV experience, and if it ever starts acting up, a quick reset can bring it back to normal. If you want more detailed information, check out the full post link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns like this.